guys, this is Andrea from Oportunidad. I'm going to show you in this video a salsa shine, some footwork that is very easy and with very relaxed steps. Enjoy! Okay, we're going to start with the basic step, which is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. The next step is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On all 8 counts, we're going to do step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. Again, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. What you're going to do is first pivot, then go 1, tap, 3, tap, then pivot, 5, tap, 7, tap, and pivot again, and just look in front of you. The next step is again sort of a turn to the right. It's going to look like this: 1, 3, 5, 7. You can move your hips if you want or not, as you wish. What you're going to do is just turn around yourself. You're going to keep your right leg just on the spot, and then move your left around you. You can switch your weight, but don't move your body on top of your left leg. Just keep it here and just move your left, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or 1, 2, 3. You can lift your right leg as well, or just pivot on it all the time. From here, we're going to do a left turn, a little bit modified than the classic one. It goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. What you're going to do on 1, we call it put off the cigarette. It's like you're throwing a cigarette on the floor and you just want to put it up. Okay, on 1, go 1. 1, step, step, just in a classic left turn. Then instead of 5, 6, 7, you're going to do a turn like this. Just you won't bring your right leg next to the left leg, okay? You're here. You're going to leave it on the floor. Extend it as much as you can and just sweep the floor. Again, 1, 2, 3, then sweep and turn, 6, 7. On 7, you move your weight again onto your right leg. Again, from here, we're going to have twice what we call 7 Suzy Q, or a complicated Suzy Q, or whatever. It goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and Suzy Q. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and Suzy Q. Okay? So we have step, 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 Suzy Q, step, 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 Suzy Q. If you like flicking your hair like I do, you can do it, for instance, on 1 and 3, or just 1 or just 3, or whenever you like. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you get dizzy, take a break, then flick it again. Now on 8, we're going to pivot towards our left, 90 degrees to the left, and we're going to lift our left knee like this. Keep your toes, your foot straight, like this. Don't do this. Like this. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, you're going to go behind you with a bachata step, let's say. 1, 2, 3. From then on, we're going to move to the next step. 8, 1, 2, 3, pivot and turn halfway on 4. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. You're going to cross your legs, then just keep your legs on the floor and just pivot. You just like release from this thing naturally towards your right, okay? Like this. So we're here, and just go on the same step, bachata step, whatever, towards your right. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, from the top again on counts and then with music. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and with music. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check our website, oportunidance.eu. See you next time.